Mike. Wait. Why are there? Oh, Matthias, why are there? Yo, Mike. Adams. The good news never like Are. Mike. You Mike. Oh, Adams. When you come, I read in my book. Why you come frustrate? Hey. Adams, so you mistake at home. Me the book no this should be a moon in your sorty. How dare you? Hey, book no. So what's in it here, so? What's in it here, so? That's another one now. What's in it here, so? Same thing I mean, also no. To bet now, a free can to a bet now 1 hour in and send one and order here. I mean, also. Hey. What's in it? Keep it here. What's in it? Keep it here. Maybe 1 hour in and say. And I'm saying what's in it? Keep it here. And by force. Yes, him. Well, the friend is. Who's one me at Opoku? Me jachino. What me aching and one? Eh? On side no. On side no. Oh, massa! Who can someone to me? Who can someone to me? Can straight now? Some my attention and so some. Indigo boy like you. My G, it's only me to style. Why are they not say me boy about so I dey my bonny ben no. Mama about you Opoku me niaji. And me boy about so bonny ben no. Huh? China wa me achi boy no. Why are they kon say wo school moy na it will be trap. And a force na like yem punish no. Like to me akasa. We okay. We are normal. Yes sir. It's me reading the book. Oh, my read. My case, we didn't know start as I've read it. What do I start? Makacho said, Boami. I didn't know me and Makacho said, Boami. I don't. Then you know, I call for police for number. You are. Don't push me to the wall. I have your temptation in my mind, but sometimes I don't want to talk. Foolish boy. What's it? Mike. Nti dem be kanunti unti say good news and I say papa na e boni unti dem be kan boy me say the kabok ni tunye ndi nkomo kan say yo so why my man read the book ni na exams ne bana me failure Adams me donya me Mike Adams we dem fa me shame we be failure dada oni me say school mo bi ni me say exams we be failure dada book what na we sin tia so 1 good hour. I catch him say me come and be in 5 minutes and more fail. Now my catch you mistake let me fail say Kim Adams no we school. My could be fail that we fail that. We book we book and go to book tears 1 hour be catch him say me more fail. Yeah, me pen kwara me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months adwa meya. How in himself me wasem. We can't some way actually. So when you be a me power someone, I will never tell you that. I will never tell you that. Sure, as someone may catch on so far, and break that and treat a quite be a gather boys and no which no be a gather woman. Teachers for not trust your meeting so much ye Aroma. Now, when you're bad in my and you could hear Aroma say, blah, gather boys sing your mamma play. When you're strong demonstration, see a woman, gather boys sing and then it's my mamma chain. And you should tell Muslim chain. Oh, yes, me, yes, you were cheap. That's a similar way. Dear mother catcher when you make up. Dear mother catcher when you make up. Say, this is shit. Hey, this is she or this is not she. Try to do demonstration. Gather the guys. Listen, I'll do strong demonstration. I'll do the demonstration. So, try. And yes, sir, you might transfer your plan and I'm a fan who I'm actually a child. But I say, I will need your helpness. What help? Helpness, because I can't do this alone. Now who working on a man who got a voice and they are coming no more office one. Miss Yet. No, just for no say what you mean new certificate to go my power with teacher. So I said black in the way Jimmy. I mean, yes, in the Yerebuno. Casasa Punchanis and minimum.
Agata say yanko yi Aroma. Say wa am I? Me who it's over to you. I'm going. Try to gather the boys to do strong demonstration.
Demonstration.
Yeah, demonstration. I'm finished.
For the school.
For the school.
For the frustration and
for the association of association. Hey, now what me at ye be meeting. What's yanko yi Aroma? Like you say my brother will be near by my.
Have you saw my sister?
Afrafanisi na wana zakatin bi na on zogo pam.
So you matem.
Ya me chononte. Abegu ewo frafram. But say wana zakatin bi na on zogo pam. Emu akwa didie ma ya enya afofro. Na wunya ba ma ya yekuyi obi.
Enzogo team
bam.
Hey. That is just for area more.
Try the me canon. It's because Kasane mo when you know when you trouble.
Say no na me dwene hu sisi asa anti omo ye ade we.
Gather the guys. I say gather
the guys. Okay.
To do strong operation.
Operation le yan kwa kun. Hey. Let's just for a party omo kwere so me boys na say Oma for hu aduane wa abra me hu me ya.
Oma Jimmy. Gather the boys. I told you.
Don't
stand there to bring talking.
There's the frustration.
It's a frustration for association for the land.
And a competition. What's that?
Yeah, me I mean the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months so jam me ya.
Aba fana the same.
Pacho me ho.
Edenya me. So woni Benis no.
E pacho.
Oh, okay. Wo yonko ne Brita. I'm a Brita.
Mate
so yonko no. Answer na wo be ira no. Eden na wo ne ntem.
I'm a Brita de no mu ade o. Ini so hye utu me fa wonti no mu ade nti e ba sa no. Me ni jai na mfufa.
Oyo bibi poti o mu ade sese. Wadan for de se wontumi nkyere ni so ban de wonye. Ade wo ye wodan.
Wa say ni so hye de do kasa utu ne fa ye bibi na bia wo ka twene say ade kwa wo ye wan ni ya na.
Ene ma bi te sen. Den na utumi ya utu ne fa wonti. Oyo roommate na wo classmate.
In na campus. It's me penasem na mafana dan.
Okay. Na mo headmaster Mr. Iddi. Then I want in term.
Bibi ni yemi ntimo.
Oh yeah, sure.
Pacho.
Oboa kind of cry. Then I want in term.
Pacho bibi ni ntimo. I am headmaster bibi ni ntimo.
Benis. So we need Benis no.
Me.
Ana bibi ni one in term.
Pacho bibi ni ntimo.
Na mre bia na wotine kam no na mo ko hin. Mo firi hin na neba.
Me.
So we need Benis no.
Me.
Enti na wotine kam no na wo firi hin neba. Minye nyankopon bet me hu bibia.
Oh me komo kota ade na ohia me e no ma me late.
Sir, left. Keke headmaster.
Pacho.
Na left no dia na na koso nkomo ben na mu one odi wo ka no.
Today bi o fa me na no be see me entrance ni mo. Me ni ndi nkomo.
It meaning that you are not dating him. One in trim na bia ye. We sure.
Me sure.
You mate. Brita ho ye na me bisa wo. Na matete sensen bi. Efa woni headmaster nkita hudi ho but it is such ho because we're a family man so when we saw about school ntino wa wo share papa besro na bodge se nyina agene na oni wasu kono mabe le yemba ne ba ne wu fie yepe to be jane yere honom ene ne ba honom abedi wachi se woni wokobobra always still time that chi bia no results baba na se yepoto a emfaso bia ni so no always still time nyina what you see. So I advise you someone in condition. If you are simply pay one will be between the journey back a candy. What you say? It's more near the idea. The giant, some mammy boy, me go in. You have only one purpose in this campus. Want to be a good girl. Said they will bring once and said they will say no credit, said they will can't no credit there. Be that person. You are claiming that you are okay. Mati.
I contact say we need be let me go. Let me leave the here. Let me walk. We standing here almost come 2 hours, but he didn't talk nothing. How you been?
Just exercise patience, alright?
Patience, send your doctor.
I don't know where to start and then where to end it. There is a saying that without the dark, you will never see the stars. And it takes rain and shine for a flower to grow.
What are your country music, why?
Oh, I am.
What are your country music, bluff? Oh, I am flow the bell, the flow, the what? Why?
I beg you, me power chow. Yabano and Yaba. So say, Libana or Demono. Ka obedi any muna when you have proper bail. I'm talking about bail, so that he can be we can evacuate him from the cells. Slow.
So you need my help, right?
Definitely.
What help? What help you need from my side?
You go there.
Go where?
To the police station.
Go where?
To the police.
Now you think I'm washing my face to top? I'm not washing my face to top. I wash my face to down. What it? Now would you akodana? Would you why you home? Yanchi ubana home. Yanchi ubana. It's a Adams next and Karako. Say maybe what passing. You ubana one shakolane down. Also when you have a PSQ back. But I would say a choba Aroma dear. What dress said your uko chuponko waba? Maybe what? Waba?
Please.
Obani being the watching police station one neck and do watching cocha. Wa kona kwato country music no ho. What ne kwato
Akunta me paucho. I now understand that you will never understand the damage you did to someone until the same thing is done to you. It is so one moment who I mean left
never want to you tell me. You tell me. Never. I don't know. Until you tell me this is this is bad, this is way, this is nothing, this is fixing, this is serious. I don't know.
So you are not helping me, please. Let bygone be bygone.
Please, Mr. Mai, if you let bygone be bygone, it's not possible. I can't. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I will never. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. I shame my. Can't we shame? Can't we shame, Mr. Gentleman? Mr. Gentleman, can't we shame? So I won't show back. And you knew. Man, you know, no tobacco. Can't we shame?
And yes, I don't know me penny bit.
Nade?
All right.
Papa, you watch the draw to but now you cry as I am. What's the job? They say you may but see I know so the Omawako free papa penny fail send me a job trials and I can say. Can't you shame Papa Penny? Now when I answer to draw to Ube can say Yen Kurana Brapa. I'm a teacher so I can teach you.
I understand.
Yeah, Yen Kurana a certain Papa assistant woman no Srakola. Na so papa panyin wo change out now na ufia on change out ni bi. You are a restless man. Shame. Can't you say don't ever
useless man. Do I look like a useless man? Kwasi eni musa lata jeni. Nanya asem na ba am I your classmate? Aka offer me. Unya ba nipa body na ti say no. Etem ganija no. Because oni character. Na me so oni character.
Boss, Monsieur Onimubi. Opoku will be boss. Boss, see me. I'm not a kid. For me to lie to somebody, tell only about my sister. Onimubi. Boss, school when we feel semi nearby. Boy, we are so semi near so and I'm talking me. The Pierre could be a little bit now. Cassana did. Boss, Mansu will be near the chief school when we need to be near. Why, Opoku? Why?
Opoku, which you say? They are open and now they will be here. Oh, Kasa, Radi Kasa. Tell me,
We don't have all day, and we don't have all the time. You still see coming about the minute because open Thursday or bar, not problem. The next day, I mean, no, and a fair thing of banner for a rest country. It's not the same who the 80 and a problem or say a rest country, but not running mommy attitude. Mr. Maybe I said, me chilly attitude. And the mamma again in Asia, you see now already. And tell no one about that face, they now in your interaction.
He's a liar. He knows something about my sister. I'm not a liar. Why? You come to destroy Mike. Don't misplace.
Mike.
Don't misplace here.
Mike, who will come up and see a fine to me?
Oh, you think I'm a kid? Do you think I'm a closer? I'm coming. You think I'm a kid? I can't. You know what my sister is. Why are you lying?
Number 4, you can grab financial.
why? I would have felt the same thing if I had been in your shoes. Maybe, sir. Right being a person between Opoku and wouldn't be a person inside. Opoku wouldn't be a person inside.
Boss,
you know, can I cry?
And you know, credit woman say, Minion say, we need your dear Yobo. So Opoku will be not into question. I see another king. I mean, Opoku the one.
Hey, Chato, how? 1 and 2. Opoku, who can't talk to me so? Opoku. One can't create one free hand for you. Me never free. Let's start the operation to one can't create one free hand for him. Kaso, Radi Kasa. Say, oh dear,
was mine.
Kasa, I say no that. You need your sister. Am I the one who?
You know
where your sister is.
Why are you lying?
I'm not lying. You are lying. You are lying. You are lying. What for? You wouldn't tell me about whatever is Scanty over.
You know how I become some hours or more. Why?
So I couldn't secret to anyone and what to me.
If I fear is your house matter?
Mike, I think we are there too much. Mike, make my boy real. Hey, but body gear. Mike, me never said why. I ran to no near 9 so best and share 9 and welcome. Yes, best I didn't appreciate.
But you wait for my making years. Me and my
I see, I mean, I'm 2 years my whole movie.
Seer.
Headmaster.
Actually, we called you here. Ideally, we should have discussed this at the office, but I think it's wise for us to discuss it here because there's a saying that walls have ears. The reason for us inviting you right here is because we like to have it between us. We don't want that experience. It's a favor that we need from you.
Okay.
It's a black.
Yeah, Iddi. Officer, as Iddi has already said, you know, exams is fast approaching. And then there's no way we can write the exams without that boy. It will tarnish the image of our school. So we are pardoning you.
His continuous assessment.
Yes, it's going to affect him. So we are pleading with you, if there is any way you can release him to us, so that maybe after writing the exams, he can be in the police custody again, sir. It's a plead.
Okay. No problem with that. We can actually release him for him to partake the exams.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Thank you very much.
What we will do is that you should inform the brother who made the complaint.
Okay.
Yeah, you should call him and inform him, and if you will be a surety or he himself will be a surety to grant him a bail. Yeah, I think we can do that.
No problem.
We can do that. But you should know that the person who is standing as a surety will be liable to whatever, any aftermath.
Oh, no, the boy, he's not going
always
around.
around.
We've not closed docket yet.
Yeah, no
Investigations are not yet done.
Okay.
So, for the sake of the plea that you are pleading with me or the petition you've put before me, we have to consider his education too.
Oh, yes,
you understand? This shouldn't destroy his academic life or his life. Yeah, I understand you. So, you inform his brother.
I will.
And let's hear him out. If he's okay with that and he will assist you and
I
you
think,
can come
I
get
think
a bill for him.
Yes, he will. He will, sir.
No problem.
Officer, we thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We wish all policemen are like you.
I really appreciate this.
You're
Because
welcome.
when I was calling, I said I told Sir Black, is he going to understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe I make Tilly pass it. I don't need a young phone so. And a beko Sebia Sembian wha if you are saying any panic. What you say, Sebia punching to Quaquay Pediacos the bathroom. And Metias, I do reason with you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Boss, you are police friendly.
Okay.
Na pachu na say ekobasi bia ye nyini nuano amana meginem as surety no a it just no be betimi atikisa risk.
Not necessarily that he should be the surety.
Okay.
Anyone from that school can be a surety.
What
I was saying is that you should inform the brother first.
We shall do that.
So then they complain at you.
Why are you running away?
Oh, I'm not running away.
Why you want him to be the surety?
No. We are not there yet, and he's running away.
Hey, assure you, point you wicked, my J. I want to let me about my catcher officer and say, maybe him get a bread I ran away at Mimi movie. Nana Mimi in your Bandanisha. No be all your Bandanisha, then go Unia, then any movie. Help me, some share from Chinako. Said 3 days, but Tossonas or moment, nobody have to Napo.
One over to Kusiana one.
Because you're from
Twabo, over to Kusiana.
Oh. Nobody have a good one, have a good prison. I about 5 more people to Yena. One of those one time, time pen and made that.
Opoku. I've been here for a while now, man. I feel now about Jai Kassan, Charlie.
That's all the way senior
boy. Jai long now, you know, bro. I want peace, man. I'm pretty deep.
Oba channels.
Exams men are metro. I feel what I meant to say. NGV, I metro miss it. They say you're better than Opoku. What will I do?
Boy, no, man, fear me. Now, me the main general class up in some coastal school hall. Nines Simachi. I paid the 1 crown about to open paper. I don't know, me, tear and I made gentlemen. Some in some coastal bar, some coastal. Me no be man and German because so me no be man and can't put my trouble me down. How blind? Now, boy, no, they are so they are Sababa. We do not make many but tears and not to talk. My dear, many but tears and not to talk. Anybody does an abba. Oh, by anybody does an abba prisoner.
Boy, I'm about so I'm about fully scanty guy. Baba hana kamikumu.
Where me no come?
Kamikumu.
Sabo ndi menya this time obufa yibia mwa. Menya sabo menya no Scanty no.
Yo,
obusa me ba yimia no.
So they unye wadwin se wo pi ye be yiu. Yen twen mo for Scanty bro.
Otunde ba me me gina chire. Better get wo menya no kun efiriase. Why?
This guy has been here from Fuller.
Also, when you move qua, Obi are the prison at Yoko student about what men Yanko. Opa, me mamma, money, no, better get. Now I wouldn't say me on Quano. A becher, no body. Oh,
you are not serious, boy.
Aroma. By prison, I do.
Yo.
Also, I said, I don't like police one. That you remember me on Quasha. Which I can tell me on Quasha.
I say all this from my Iddi.
Yeah,
I don't have anything to do with Brita. Okay. Brita is just a friend of mine. Then, like, she doesn't respect. That's the reason why we haven't been friends for some time.
Okay.
And I haven't heard from her since the day she got missing.
Okay, but did he ask something about us?
Yes, she did. Like he did. Sorry, he did.
And
he said Opoku was saying, "I'm dating you." He said something like that. I was like, "Oh no, that's not it. I was going to the mall the last time. Then you gave me a ride. That was all what I said
good.
to him."
Good. You see, these are some of the things. The reason for me telling you we should give ourselves some gap. You see where
You said we should do what?
I said at least we should,
It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. Gap for what?
For issues like this.
Please,
At least
I'm
let's try
not ready. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready for this drama, please.
Let me tell you something. It's not about you being ready for this or not being ready for this. It's about we doing what is right.
And which one is right?
The thing is, you know I'm married, right?
You are married, I know.
So wouldn't it be wise for us to give ourselves some gap? After all, my kid is also in this school.
Oh, say now you said you're right and I said wrong. Didn't you know?
Come on.
That's why I said that's it. I'm not going to give anything a gap. You have to continue.
So do you want to put me in trouble?
You want to put me also in trouble?
Yes, I don't want us to be in trouble.
So let's continue.
That's why I said let's give ourselves some gap.
I can't.
Why are you doing this?
You saw I read now person your way. Huh?
You are being difficult.
I'm not difficult. That's the right thing.
If I'm not difficult, what are you insinuating now?
So let's continue on what we started. It's not gotten anywhere, so let's continue.
It's not gotten anywhere? So you think what Opoku told the CID is normal? And what the CID is trying to find out is normal?
It's nothing, it's normal.
I don't understand. It's normal to you.
So are you telling me we should break up or what?
I'm saying we can give ourselves some break and...
I don't understand the meaning of break. What's the meaning of break and break up? I don't understand. I'm not going to give you...
So do you want this news to spread all over? Is that what you want?
I don't care.
You don't care? Are you thinking about my reputation?
What of mine?
Good. If it's about yours, then you should think about mine too. What I'm telling you is the right thing. Please think about it.
Yeah, me the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with Maya. Me pass me come any months with Jamaica. Oh Lord.
How did it be? What did you? I didn't.
I was maybe we are seeing me doing to the beer and me mamuna. So when I'm KB and Kaun about and KB and Kabe, dear CC
and dear Obinim will be chill to can say and dear credit. And Mike, I send been I make catch up. Headmaster Bill. On the medium Komoka concerning the upcoming exams. And I want to case here in Namina, Unia Bayasi. Intino, ye saying car. Omo beba na omo no wa besusu bibi ho kakra what you say na ya grante omo bill ya grante Aroma bill na te say ono so timi abetro exams no am say me feel na me fan to
officer ana wo oba o ka kire na wo kan dai
me ka kire no so omo amane na omo pe surety mra na yenyi no
any officer sa from ka kire omo so abebo mamane me si da bi mantwi ka kire omo
Mike I'm sorry Timmy Ayani Ejuma won't me famra na ehye won say
I'm saying you Ejuma asem timi sumi hu ni nuane ti o jam no odwane
wonu aba ne ho hia
odwane
betemra yemra mama ma won ti ase you have your limitation you are a complainant akoko to krampa wo your witness keke won kan hu bi case no kan hu
officer
mamra nya na Ejuma nya
officer ti fane se akoku ni nuane to baabi na mu gya no na obesku no nsu koku ne ho abesile ma hu mi nuane
enu ntina obi gina mu say surety no wo gina mu ni nyina akire say
surety, that's the surety. Forget about the surety. Think about my sister. Think about my blood. Just stop what you are saying.
And fire emotions in Kasa. And run a Kasa. And fire emotions. No one who knew the Kasa. And running procedure and you follow what you say.
Officer, and yet you can I meet you.
Or how be
any say, Mama boy in game. As I'm saying, one try then, Baba. As I'm saying, one try then, Baba. Or to school when you was a nodi.
Mike J.
What is going on? Kwasem nodi.
Ye na and chese case ni ye twam. Ye na mane be chance of na and chese case ni ye twam. Surety ni be make sure say obe avail ni ho after the exams. Our police station we will still lock him. So for that one relax. What you say? Relax na your family na nya ejuma.
Me every time I'm relaxable.
Anytime you come here, you say relax, relax, and I'm relaxable. Right now, you come here and tell me you relax again.
Continue to be that relaxable for me.
Okay. Adiana, oh yeah, no, senior, Mr. Wajuma, police. Wajuma, me the respect my Jumano. But Mr. Me also na ira. Also, Junior, me side.
My Junior home, Mike. Now, send coming from. I come in from Ube Kuntuna, Sibina, my fetch, remember, you know, but FSM me catch you. What you say? FSM me catch you. Come in, can't you be one on in school, but any effect. Or some man who the case new called dear Benina. What you say? Tell me about money.
Any at Sadia, me Kabibia. That boy in the treasures, I'm snowing as I've done. See a true year 330, I'm still 335 from the funnel.
Mike J, and I'm a kind. Yenim dia ye juma. What you say? Want to me for shebi an 2 years so.
I don't we na ye juma. We am akwani Johnny.
On Johnny. Tina surety jina mo na akade tina ye beli obi a surety. O jina mo se nipa ni Johnny a ana se hwehwemu a ye hwe ne compromise bi a ono na be liable to any offense. What you say?
Ain't you whine about when e beli no?
I don't know, se bi a headmaster no.
Into Johnny and Mitch headmaster.
And you was him.
Yeah, me punk what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me pass me come any months so Jamaica.
Hey, Maggie. I come on me no. Me said na man from office. And I'm person to be a good thing in my city. I wouldn't say Aroma more than them. You know, right? And as I'm so, and some of them bet you. So we had that continuous assessment. Any of us. In Empire Bonus Movie School. Now, must have twice. Movie school at twice, we seen it be and because someone with transcript. Not to swamp as a winner. Maybe misunderstanding in a transcript. Once I told her, and then come. And to remember the Panama part, or say, what they buy at Tennessee. Now you know. So, let's see. I need number. Your choice, I'm snoozy. Me, I'm a certain number.
I'm an outcome.
Oh, definitely.
Also, dear, why in CCR for your offense? Master, let me tell you, this thing you are doing right now is a big offense.
What have I done?
Oh, no, sir, to come enemy didn't come and say, oh, team margin than imagining.
Oh, no.
And Master Nabena, I don't want to come with that. When was the last time I came to school? You put your hands on my chest.
Debbie.
Dabe.
What's that? Munina Muya member. On the metal. And it's a summer bar. Or say CC. Anyway, crown sing CC, I'm a war bottle. Until I make us say, would there be ya? Nancy and was. I saw Uncle Money Eddie.
And Master, and I mean, me didn't come see.
Oh,
and then Manato. See, I didn't name my Becassa.
Okay.
I'm a Macacha and say, me mention.
Oh, what kind of sending messages?
The catcher and say, me mention. Because say, I'll send me Aroma. Like how?
That be my J, don't get it twisted.
Tell me. One show, Bassia, no Johnny, I bet they won't
obey the word Johnny.
Obey Johnny, I know this guy.
Remember, see one Johnny, Jimmy D.
I know this guy, obey Johnny.
And a meaning near Mammy, they go acquire when time is one Johnny.
I get now more, no mood, they move at this time. Because me, I mean, woman,
my dear,
I can't find Amma Bretta.
I understand.
Every day, frustrate. Say, me too, I'm not a kid.
Bro, for no day, Jaika. Jabro, for no cow, they catch you. Meshadana, you catch you, Sabe Albertimasi. Eh? What dear, my intro letter, then come on. Oh, a bayanaka, my mature letter, consent letter. I'm a yet, I must see. Now you're releasing on the day. Obano betrays them still here. Now, Masad and Amma, see, I do not continue the investigation.
Say, what for why you been out so that I didn't.
Many see I didn't come on. Was say, you're releasing on bail. Maybe a docketing inclusive and so Saba, no Babwa investigation.
But the enemy may catch you. Tinity. Sadia say, more than a bar. Now, Johnny, I'm a mammy Acham. Said this time around, mechanics.
Where is your name, Cobebia? Where Johnny Aquay? Oh, fine him. Uncle Babia. Because can you say, Sabu, when I'm a Fasama, won't put a baby Satoa, my dear himself, send me General EU Mabatro exams. Simply because Munya member. So what we dey
say Matthias say me anya no na metio me say mo de na ba wi a mo san kwachi ntum.
Oh no problem. Your try exams new year. Your baba please for no. As you dey mbasa please for. Normal continue the investigation. And I'm probably crying about say in coach say mba try exams na wi no so na be break as well. You can say.
Why my mama say say mpacho na me call because me right now me imagine mo ntini wi.
It's okay. What there? Ebobe 2 bra my secretary no consent letter no or na wasan. Mama wo no awabo bibia na wasan na dia ma.
As I say, we mo make sure so ba mo be sad na ko shemu.
Come on, Jimmy D. Come on. You know me. Huh?